Welcome to Capital FX Global. In this video, I will show you how to register your trading account step by step. First, open your browser and search www.capitalfxglobal.com. Once the website opens, click on the Register button. Now, enter your details carefully. Add your full name, enter your email address, add your phone number, and select your country. If you have a referral code, you can add it here, Floodle. It is optional. Now check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then click on Register. Now open your Gmail inbox. You will receive an email from Capital FX Global. Click on Verify Your Account to complete verification. After verification, go back to the website. Enter your login details, which are sent to your email. Now click on Login. Congratulations! You can now access your CRM dashboard and manage your trading account. Thanks for watching. Make sure to watch our next video to learn the KYC process on Capital FX Global.